All right, here's the triad for number one. Dash collects data on the hair lengths of random sample of sixth or seventh grade boys in his school. The data are clustered between blank and blank inches and between blank and blank inches. So you can see these clusters, these boxes. So there's a box in the first cluster that a lot of values fall in between this 1.5 to 2 range. And then there's not much in between that, or people are more in this 3.5 to 4.5 range. Dash can infer from the data that seventh grade boys in his school have both short and long hair. So most people aren't, migrating that middle phase, and most people aren't bald at a school or choosing to not just have a buzz cut. Okay. So the last thing is, how does a dot plot help you make inferences from data? What it allows us to do is look for these clusters, look for where the grouping is. If we just find an average, if we collected that data, our average actually might be 2.5, which you see there's almost nobody there on 2.5. So to think that that's what everybody's hair is really not ideal. But these clusters just kind of give us and gravitate towards the norm, and we can have almost like two averages working out in the same time. So we have a smaller average that people keep their hair at about 1, and you've got another average where people prefer to have their hair a little bit on the longer side, and they're up 4 inches. So it's just cool. It's just another unique way to analyze data, and to see and visualize what's happening.